Eagle Rock Park is located on the White River arm of beautiful Table Rock Lake, as shown here in red. It is about 30 minutes north of Eureka Springs, Arkansas, and about an hour west of Branson, Missouri. Join us as we drive through the property and discover something very strange near the water's edge. And be sure to stay until the end for an animated map to show you the easiest way to get here. Eagle Rock Park is nestled near the charming town of Eagle Rock, Missouri. Operated by the Corps of Engineers, this hidden gem offers a variety of outdoor activities and breathtaking scenery everyone will enjoy. While this is a beautiful property, we wouldn't recommend larger rigs in this property due to the narrow roads. Have you ever been to a park that has a cemetery on property? We definitely weren't expecting to see this. We tried to find out details about it, but so far we haven't had any luck. If you know, leave us a comment. We are curious to find out. Whether you're an RV camper or prefer the simplicity of tent camping, this park has got you covered with its 51 camping spots. Some of these spots are equipped with electric and water hookups, allowing you to comfortably enjoy your stay while enjoying the nature around you. If you're more of a tent camper, there are several spacious and scenic tent spots that are perfect for those seeking a more rustic experience. Eagle Rock Park understands the importance of convenience without compromising the essence of the great outdoors. For your comfort and convenience, the park features modern restrooms and hot showers, ensuring that you can freshen up after a day of adventure. Additionally, there are ample toilet facilities located throughout the campground, so you never have to venture too far from your campsite. The park isn't just for overnight camping. If you're a day tripper, you'll be pleased to know that the park offers several day use areas. These areas are perfect for picnics, family gatherings, or simply enjoying a peaceful afternoon by the lake. With tables, grills, and playgrounds for the little ones, Eagle Rock Park provides all the ingredients for a perfect day outdoors. The park embraces the wonders of nature. Hiking enthusiasts will find themselves immersed in a network of scenic trails overlooking breathtaking views of the Ozark Mountains, along with the crystal clear waters of Table Rock Lake. Be sure to keep your eyes open for the park's diverse wildlife. You never know what you might see. This park offers the perfect opportunity to reconnect with nature and discover the hidden treasures that lie around you. In addition to all the amazing outdoor activities, the park hosts various events throughout the year, such as nature walks, educational programs, and even stargazing nights. So whether you're a seasoned adventurer or a curious beginner, there's always something exciting happening here. Eagle Rock Park is a natural paradise just waiting to be discovered. So pack your bags, prepare your hiking boots, and get ready to embark on an unforgettable adventure in the heart of the Ozark Mountains. Be sure to give us a thumbs up if you are finding this video to be helpful. Leave a comment if you have ever stayed here or would like to in the future, or if you know anything about the cemetery in the park, then subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos. It's free and it will let us know that we are doing something helpful for others. Let's not forget about the marina. Eagle Rock Park boasts a well-equipped marina catering to boating and fishing enthusiasts. Whether you're casting your line to catch a trophy bass or setting sail to explore the serene waters, the marina has everything you need, and there is a boat ramp for easy access if you have your own boat. Be sure to have your National Park Pass in hand to get free access to the day use areas as well as 50% off camping fees. Coming from Harrison, Arkansas or Branson, Missouri on Highway 65, take Highway 86 west approximately 35 miles and the park entrance will be on your left. Thank you for spending time with us today. We hope this video has been helpful for you and your family. Be sure to check out our other videos shown here and tell your friends about us. We wish you safe travels and remember, have fun, let's travel!